Changing your shower head is really easy. It takes less than a minute and it doesn't require any special tools or a plumber. You simply remove your current shower head off the slide rail and unscrew the connector. Be sure when you do this to hold the hose upright so that you don't lose the washer that creates a seal with the shower head. Then you simply attach the new shower head and screw it on tightly. It really is that simple, so what are you waiting for? Visit methven.com to view our range of products and to find your local stockist.